Shamel Milling Co offers its customers a variety of products. We have feed for alpacas, deer, chinchillas, dairy, equine, game birds, goats, poultry, rabbit, ratite, sheep, and swine. Shamel livestock feed ingredients include cornmeal, cracked corn, bin oats, recleaned oats, whole corn, soy meal, distillers, and molasses. Shamel Milling Company also offers products for wildlife lovers and hunters, as well as automotive, basic camping, plumbing hardware, houseware, and farm supplies. Shamel Milling Company Inc. We have what you are looking for and a whole lot more. Call today. Shamel Milling Company Inc. 716-592-7700.